Hello, my name is Noah Hill, and I am preparing this proposal for Eric Martinez. The problem that I will be addressing is the traffic in Albuquerque, specifically crossing over Paseo and Alameda. Um, there's obviously way too much traffic coming over the river, eastbound in the morning and then westbound at night. These are the most highly congested times. I know that I um, go to work on the west side and I live on the east side, so I come back around this five or six time, and when I'm coming back to the east side, I'd look over and there's just a always a huge line of cars coming back to the west side, and if you've ever drove it, you know it takes about 30 minutes to an hour just to get across the bridge. Um, this is bad, obviously, because it's a huge inconvenience for citizens as far as time, and also it could increase the chance of road rage and accidents and other kind of conflicts just because people are angry that they're sitting in traffic for so long. And as I said, 4 to 7 p.m. is the worst time going westbound, and in the morning it's bad coming to eastbound. Um, Solutions that I would propose: either add another lane onto these uh, roads if you can, or create another bridge that drivers could use. Um, uh, Also, you could, because if you build another bridge, it might just become just as congested as the other two. So that might just be a short term solution to the problem. Um, I would say also get more um, jobs on the west side of town, because that seems to be the trend. People going to work on the east side in the morning and coming back to the west side at night, and that's what's causing all this traffic. Um, so any of these three could be done to help improve this situation, and I believe something needs to be done soon. Um, Thank you for your consideration.